Hello and welcome to another video. Utility stocks have quietly emerged as one of the best performing sectors over the past few months, surprising many investors. The sector is now the top performing segment of the S&P 500 in the second quarter. So, what's fueling this rally? Many experts point to the AI boom. I think the increased power requirements of AI tech largely drive the surge in utility stocks. Companies like Microsoft and Amazon are investing heavily in AI, leading to increased power demands. Utilities, especially those focused on clean energy and nuclear power, will see significant gains as the AI sector expands. And amidst this, I see AES Corp well positioned to benefit from this trend. Now, AES Corp operates power plants using a mix of coal, gas, hydro, wind, solar, and biomass to generate electricity. It is among the biggest players in building wind and solar farms, selling power to tech giants like Google and Microsoft. AES has multiple contracts with Microsoft, including supplying its data centers in Virginia with round-the-clock clean power and operating wind solar farms for the company in Chile. Despite the recent rally in utilities, AES could still be undervalued. The company is trading below its intrinsic value of $25. Additionally, AES presents a good value based on its price-to-earning ratio of 26.26 compared to the US market average of 29.25. So, overall, I think AES is worth watching as AI continues to power up and play a more significant economic role. It stands out as a strategic investment and will likely continue to surprise to the upside. I hope you like this video, and if you do have any questions, let me know in the comments below.